Hi guys, this is how to boast your Facebook page or boast your Facebook videos on Facebook app. So in this video, I am going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to boast your video or promote your page on Facebook platform, okay? Are you ready? If you're ready, let's get started. So let's say you have logged into your Facebook account and you navigate to the video you want to boast. Now, you know that boasting video on Facebook is advertising your video so that you can get more views or more likes or even followers, depending. But it depends on the content of your video. So if your video content is what the people need, they will definitely follow you, okay? So there is no guarantee that once you boast your video, that it is a must that people will follow you. No, people will follow you because of the quality of the content of your video, okay? So now for you to boost your video, as in to advertise it, so if you navigate to the video you want to boost, so you will see the post button under the video. So you just tap on it. So on the next page, here first you will see the preview of your video, how it will be displayed on Facebook sponsored ad, okay? So now if you watch now, you will see that is a button says call now. So this button can be changed to anything. It is a call to action button. So it can be changed to learn more, subscribe, or whatever, or even send message, okay? So but I will show you how to choose another button. Scroll down to start choosing your settings. So here you will see the options of the result of what you would like to get from your ad. So if you tap on see more, you will see also more. Maybe you want to get more leads or get more calls or automatic or get more messages, depending on the one that is related to the content of your video. But I would suggest you leave it at automatic so that Facebook will help select the most relevant goal based on your settings, okay? So now, if you've chosen the one you want, so come down at Advantage plus Creative, you check the button. So under it, on the button section, that was what I explained to you on the preview of your video, where you see the call now button that you can also change to any other call to action button. So now you see, let's go up now. You see it's call now button. So you can change it to anything from here, and you can do that by tapping on this pencil icon. So now the call to action button options will display. So it's up to you to choose. Maybe you don't want to include any button on your video, or maybe you want to put book now or learn more or shop now or sign up or send message, or you can choose get directions or send WhatsApp message or call now as it is now. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will choose send message so that anybody who is interested in the content of the video ads that I'm promoting can send me a message so we can chat from there. So if you look at your video preview here, you will see that the former call to action button, which is call now, has been removed and replaced with send message button. So after selecting your call to action button, so in this case, I've selected send message button. So don't forget to tap on save to save your settings. So under here on the special ad category, it has to do with the content of the video you are boosting, you are promoting. If the content of the video or the video is related to anything among the things they listed here, like credit, employment, housing, election, politics, and social issues, then you switch this on. And when you switch it on, they will ask you to verify your account before placing this kind of ad on their platform. And they will ask you to verify your account with your ID card or with your passport. So now if you know that the video is not related to election or politics or among the things they listed here, then make sure you switch this button off. So under here on the messaging apps, so if you remember on the action button we included on our video, let me go up to show you, we included send message action button. So that is the reason why these options was displayed here. And the Messenger and Instagram is checked. That means that the messages, the people who want to contact me because of the ads, that I'm placing, because of the video that I'm posting. Can be able to send me message through the Messenger app and through the Instagram also. So, but normally I always want to leave it only through the Messenger. So I'm going to check this Instagram off. So it's up to you to decide. You can decide to include it, so you check it on. So, or you can also decide to connect your WhatsApp account. So now come down on the welcome message. So here you can tap on edit and include your welcome message. You scroll down at advantage audience. In my case, because of where I am creating this video right now from, so it has automatically selected the country where I'm creating the video from. But I will suggest you tap on these people you choose through targeting. Choose it. Then you tap on edit. So under location, so let's say you want the people in your country to watch this video. So you tap here under location. Then write the name of your country. So in this case, I'm going to use Nigeria. So you write Nigeria. After you've written it, tap on it here on the displayed drop down, okay, to be able to activate it. Don't forget to also tap on save to save your settings. So after this place is done, make sure you tap on save audience, okay. So now you can see that the country you selected at the advantage audience has been included here. In my case, it's Nigeria. So you scroll down again under total budget. So you can see the estimated daily results. So it means that this video, if you advertise it with this money, with this price, 14 euros, then it can be able to reach from 1,200 to 3,600 people, okay? So, but if your budget is not enough to pay for these 14 euros, or maybe it's $14 in your own case, then you can decide to reduce it to, let's say, 10 or even below 10, as you can be able to pay. So you come down here on the schedule and duration, start date. I think it's good you leave it at now, or maybe you want to reschedule it. You can tap and choose and reschedule it to the date you want to. So here on the days, don't forget to choose how many days you want this your video, this your advert to run on Facebook. So, and that will also determine how much your money is going to be. So let's say I want to be able to, on these 10 euros, I want to be able to make it to run for 5 days, so that it will cost me 2 euros for 1 day. So I'm going to reduce this to 5 days. So now I've reduced it to 5 days. So don't forget that if you increase your payment, the people your ad will reach will also increase, okay? So now you scroll down here now on the payment method. I assume you already upload or deposited money to your Facebook account. But if you have not done so, then you want to do it, you can tap on add money. Here, you type in the amount of money you want to add to your Facebook account. So I suggest you just add money, maybe if it's 50 euros or $50 or $100 or 100 euros you want to add to your account. Just deposit it into your account and don't connect your bank account to it, okay? Just fill in the amount of money you want to deposit to your Facebook account. Then choose your card, click next and follow the next step. Then the money will be deposited into your account. So let's say you've deposited the money into your account. So now you can see, if you come down at the payment summary, you can see that your ad will run for 5 days as you selected above. Then the total budget will be 10 euros or $10 as you also selected above, okay? So you just take a quick glance on your total budget and see if it tallies with your settings. Then if it tallies with your settings, then you're good to go. All you need to do is to tap on this Boost Post Now button. So once you click on this Boost Post Now button, on the next page, you will see Review. That means that Facebook is reviewing your ad settings and your video to see if it goes according to their community standard and if it goes also according to their ad settings standard. So if it does, you will receive a message back from them in a few minutes time to inform you that your ads has been successful, or maybe that is not successful, that you need to do this and do that, okay? So that is it. I hope this video helps. If it does, please like and share this video and follow me for more tips.